Before we start, you might be wondering, why should you even listen to me? Fair question. So let me show you something real quick. This is one of my channels. Over 30,000 subscribers, more than 9 million views, monetized in just 1 month, and yeah, this is real. $1,081 in a single day. So I'm not just talking, I've actually done this. Starting a YouTube channel in 2026 is actually very simple. You create a channel, upload a video, and that's it. You've officially started. Sounds easy, right? That's exactly why most people fail. Because starting is easy, but continuing when you're getting 0 views, that's where things get real. So in this video, I'll show you how to actually start a YouTube channel the right way, and more importantly, how to not quit after your first few videos. First, you need to ask yourself one question. Why do you even want to do this? And I don't mean some generic answer like, it looks cool. I mean the real reason. Do you want money, freedom, attention, or are you just bored? Because when you're sitting there refreshing your video and seeing 0 views, your reason is the only thing that keeps you going. Next, you need to decide what you're actually going to post. And no, anything and everything is not a strategy. Pick something: storytelling, fitness, self-improvement, gaming, whatever it is, but then actually study it. Don't just watch videos, study them. Look at how they start, how they keep your attention, and why you don't click away. That's the real game. Now creating the channel itself is easy. Pick a simple name, a clean profile picture, a basic banner, and you're done. Don't overthink this part. You're not building a perfect brand right now. You're just getting started. But here's the part no one really talks about. You start uploading, you put in effort, you try to make something good, and nothing happens. No views, no likes, no comments, just silence. So you upload again, still nothing. You try to improve, you change things, you overthink everything, and slowly it starts getting frustrating. This is exactly where most people quit. But the few who don't quit, they keep going. They improve a little with every video. They figure things out over time. And eventually something clicks. That's the real way to start YouTube in 2026. There's no secret trick, no hack, no shortcut. Just starting and not quitting when it gets hard. Because if you can survive that phase, you're already ahead of most people trying to do this. And if you're starting your own channel, just know this. You're not behind, you're just at the beginning. Keep going.